Hello, hi everybody. It's raining and it's cold, so I thought we could do a rainy day reading, one of those that we can keep in store just in case we get bored. So, how are you? I hope you are doing well. It's the beginning of the month here, and I'm really focused on releasing energies so to be absolutely open for the next cycle of the moon. So to plant the right seeds at the right time for it to be a great year full of fun and celebrations and meetings with people that are awesome and make us happy. So let's take this Three of Cups because I like it. So yeah, maybe this year there will be a big event. Not a big event like big, but it's going to be big for you because it's going to make it very clear for you how aligned you are to the other worlds and how much you can see now. And I'm looking at the pomegranate and I'm remembering the pomegranate is the symbolic fruit that someone gave to someone, and that fruit that she ate is what kept her stuck in the material world. I don't know. I don't remember very well the story at the moment. It's probably not ideal to talk about it, but yeah, it's reminding me of a poisoned fruit. But it's staying at the threshold. So there's this feeling of a really strong threshold, this really strong portal gate, a strong gate that is protected by discernment of what do we want to sow for each cycle, and how willing are we to resist temptations so to achieve it. Now the pomegranate is also a very special fruit because it's full of little gems, isn't it? It's like a whole world of gems. And it is considered a very spiritual fruit. I know that it starts ripening in autumn, isn't it? It's like the pomegranate and the figs and the chestnuts and the apples. Or is it a summer fruit? It might be a summer fruit. It's one of the first fruits, isn't it? Or it's one of the last. So we were talking about seeds, and each one of these little gems in the pomegranate is a seed. So I'm picturing this idea of not eating the pomegranate, but sowing each seed to create a lot of pomegranates. That's what I'm seeing. Why am I seeing this? And the Hanged Man upside down. So there is something that has become stagnant, something that has done its, is done its thing. It's no matter what someone did to acquire a different perspective, or to become enlightened, or to be the man or the god, like Odin, right? He hung himself from the tree because he wanted to see things from a different perspective. But there was also a proposition that the tree of life made to him, like, come closer, come be part of me, hang yourself from my branches, and be like a fruit, be like a pomegranate, and wait until you are ripe, and there will be a crack in you, and the light will come in, and you will know that you are ready to completely open up and spread your seeds. This came upside down. So there is this feeling of something that has become stagnant, and someone knows it, and they're waiting for a meeting. Because in this meeting, there is a ripeness. There is a ripeness, an emotional openness that will plant a whole forest of magic trees and magic fruit trees that will help to hold this frequency of this gate, of this threshold, where the worlds are connected and aligned, and where there's a balance between the seen and the unseen, between our reason and our intuition and our feelings. So someone really wants to meet up with someone that holds the magic fruits of the Garden of Eden. They are a dream come true. They are emotionally fulfilled, and so they are very inspired, and they are so tired of waiting. They're like, it's enough of this waiting. It's enough of this waiting. I want to move forward with this. I've seen it, and now I want to get out of this tree. Knight of Wands, of course. I want to go. I want to go towards this High Priestess. The Copper Spike. Seven of Swords. Ooh. So there is some feeling of doing things in a sneaky way. So this person is moving forward towards this ideal situation. This ideal situation that is the gate to the unseen world. It is someone that is very intuitive, someone that channels light in formation and holds a frequency of balance. Allowing the worlds to connect without danger. And they do it so well. It's like, it's just really emotionally satisfying the way they do it. And it gives this feeling of, okay, I know what to do now. Okay, I know what to do. It's enough of this seeking for wisdom. It's good. Excuse me. Page of Wands, Knight of Wands. And the Four of Swords. Yes, it's enough of this waiting and this reflecting about it, and there's been a lot of time that passed, and things feel like they are healed because time has been taken to process it. Someone has put this dream to sleep, like under the pillow or something, and they've been dreaming and having all these insights about it, and they've been reflecting on how to do this movement. You see Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, so it's like I see it, I like it, I will test the possible ways to act. And you see like the little ladybug, she's like inside the cup, one of the pink burn cups, and the lizard is, I think it's a lizard, it's looking the other way. It's like it knows it's there, they're back to back. Maybe they're doing the game, that game are like, I know you're there, but I'm not gonna make you scared so you don't run away. And it seems very innocent with the Page of Wands, right? But it's actually, they are actually planning their move to get them. Probably that's why the Seven of Swords came here. So someone is expecting a meeting. Of some kind, something celebratory, or someone is expecting for this meeting to happen so that they can go for get this great idea into motion, which I guess it's related to the planting of all of the seeds of the magical spiritual pomegranate. The Seven of Swords can indicate that this is happening in a sneaky way. Now, the Tower and the Four of Wands. Tower and the Four of Wands. I feel like that's for a whole different reading. So, what can we know about this Knight of Wands? Temperance, Two of Pentacles is losing patience and juggling. Knight of Wands, Page of Wands, so this Knight of Wands, what can we expect from this Knight of Wands? From this Knight of Wands, we can expect a lot of communication, or some communication of some kind that sets things in motion and opens up this, creates this feeling of something is going to happen. And about this Knight of Wands, we also know that, so they are leaving a commitment behind. They are leaving a commitment behind. They are leaving a tradition behind. They are letting go of something that has structured their life majorly, and they want to connect. So, 2 and 3 of Cups. So, yeah. So someone really wants to connect with this High Priestess energy. But there is some kind of structure, mentally or physically, or it can be a religion or politic or a rule or a law, or someone is troubled because they need to leave something very important behind. They need to open up to new beliefs. Because they see that there is more. than what you know, what they know, and they can learn with each other. The High Priestess and the Hierophant. That's awesome. And the Two of Cups and the Three of Cups, and the Eight of Cups and the Nine of Cups. So there's this feeling of, wow, this relationship, this person, this energy of ascending and connecting to the inner realms and the unseen, and being able to get satisfaction from this access to what is unconscious is creating a, yeah, Page of Wands, Knight of Wands also. It's creating a feeling of alchemy. It's alchemy because it's taking things from one to another, to the next one, from one place to the next one, step by step. And it's creating a lot of peace. A lot of peace and a lot of contentment. It's also creating an excitement and a reserve of energy for when the time is right to strike. Copper spike. So this is awesome. So yeah, someone has decided that they really like this person and they really want to connect, but there are certain things that would need to be, certain rules, certain traditions, certain aspects of the structure, the beliefs that are governing their emotional place. They are letting go of something. It's very difficult to let go of the Hierophant energy. Talks about ascension. So this is ascension. The High Priestess and the Hierophant. So if the Hierophant wants to ascend with the High Priestess, he needs to let go of something. Or maybe this is someone that wants to get together with the High Priestess and leave the Hierophant behind. Because the Hierophant is causing emotional confusion, emotional, and a need to release all the emotional baggage, all the weight. And the High Priestess is creating a feeling of fulfillment and dreams coming true and emotions flowing and contentment. This is a feeling of contentment that comes with this feeling of, okay, I've thought about it, I'm ready, let's go. We're ready to go. Also, this is really good news. Let's pull a Mudra's card. Centering and release. Okay, that didn't take a lot of shuffling, did it? Oh, that's a lot. Inner witness, purification. Let's do centering. It assists with embodiment, centeredness, and grounding, and reduces stress and blood pressure, strengthens digestion and assimilation, and supports posture and skeletal system. Let's do it. Present to my body, I am perfectly centered. This is and it just touches the tips. The other fingers we stretch and align. Rest the backs of the hands on thighs, knees, or in the lap. Okay. Present to my body. This is allow the tips. Allow the other fingers to extend. Wait, the tips of the touch the tip of the thumbs to the tips of the ring fingers. So just touch the tips, okay? Present to my body, I am perfectly centered. Present to my body, I am perfectly centered. So I'm feeling like this is what this person feels when they connect with this high priestess. They feel like they are present in their body. They feel that like they are perfectly centered. They feel empowered to act. They feel empowered to move forward, to move. There's a fire in them that warms them, warms their heart, and makes them feel good about who they are, and makes them want to connect to them. Present to my body, I am perfectly centered. Present to my body, I am perfectly centered. So yeah, I'm feeling like this is what this person feels when they connect. To this high priestess. They feel absolutely centered. They feel really centered when they connect to this high priestess, when they see her. Or when they see the things that she sees. And that is really opening their mind and giving them a feeling of wanting to let go of things that are not bringing them contentment. And we can do the release mudra just to finish the reading because I need to go now. Kali Mudra, expansiveness, release, spiritual purification. But directs breath and awareness to neck and throat area, energizes thyroid gland, metabolism, and energy. Releases muscular tension from shoulders, neck, and throat center. So we connect and we place our right thumb over our left thumb. And we extend the fingers towards the throat chakras, the throat chakra. And we focus on releasing all obstacles with compassion. Releasing all obstacles and aligning to our true nature. So, I release all obstacles and align to my true nature. I release all obstacles compassionately and align to my true nature. I release all obstacles compassionately and align to my true nature. May it be. 27 with 9, 30, 7, 10. It's a 10. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all. And I'll see you another time.